Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide someone from your memories at your iPhones. Now you can control who appears in your featured photos and memories. Now if you don't know how to get this option at your iPhones, then please keep watching this full video and after that you will be easily get this option. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your gallery. Now select any of the photo you want to feature less. Simply tap at the photo. Now down the bottom you can see four options: share, like, delete, and I option. Simply tap at I option. Now page my screen, you can see in the middle you can see a round circle. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen, you can see a last option, feature less. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen, you can see feature this person less. Please read these instructions. Included photos and videos of this person will not be featured in included in memories, but group photos included them may be still shown. And second option is never feature this person. No photos of this person will be featured in including memories, including group photos. Simply choose the option you want and down the bottom tap it continue. Like this, you can easily hide someone from your memories at your iPhones. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.